Your good cause deserves a great fundraiser, which is why Wildheart Designs offers an easy way for people to raise money by designing and selling apparel. Our custom campaign stores act as an efficient way to raise money online. First, in order to start your campaign, head on over to our website, wildheartdesigns.com, and scroll down to Start a Campaign. Click that link and you'll be taken to a Start a Campaign portal. This might take a few seconds to load. Once you're in the portal, to the left you will see a variety of apparel options to choose from. You can browse through these categories in order to find the right apparel for your cause. Don't worry about the color just yet, since that will be decided under the next tab. Right now, just focus on the type of apparel you want. For this example, I've decided on a regular short sleeve shirt. Once you click on your apparel of choice, go ahead and go to the top and click Design. Under this tab, you'll have the ability to customize your apparel option. This is also the place where you'll specify the exact color you want to the left. I decided to choose maroon. At the right, you have the ability to change what part of your apparel you see. At the top, you have the ability to add text or a design. For this example, I'm going to click Add a Design and choose a template. If you are interested in uploading your own design, you can find that in the top left of the Add a Design tab. Now that I've selected a template, I can customize it to say whatever I want it to say. Watch as I edit the text, colors, and positioning of my design. Now that the front of my shirt is ready, I'm going to add something to the back of my shirt as well. To do that, I'm going to head to the right of the screen and click Back. Here, I'm going to add a last name and number to the back of my shirt using the Add Text option. Watch as I customize the back of this shirt. Now that we are finished with the design, we will move on to the Set a Goal tab. Here we will decide our sales goal and number of products. Keep in mind that certain products have minimum units required. Our system automatically pre-fills the recommended price for your item, but feel free to change that. For my shirt goal, I'm going to set the shirt prices at $30 each with a sales goal of 150 shirts, which comes out to approximately $901 in profits. Once your goal is set, move on to the Add Details tab. This is your chance to tell people about your campaign and why they should support it. Once you've filled out the description, set the length of your campaign. I decided to choose 21 days. Then you have the option to upload a logo and a banner for your fundraising site. Lastly, to start your fundraising website, enter in your account details and click Launch Your Campaign. Congratulations! You've successfully launched your Wildheart Designs fundraising campaign site. Remember that if at any time you need assistance or have questions, you can reach out to us via our Contact Us page on our website. Thanks for watching and happy fundraising!